Hi, this is just a short video on how to make transparent backgrounds using Microsoft Office products. So this can be Word or Excel, possibly other products. I haven't really tried them. All right, so let's just get started with just a Word document, and I'll just put some background words in here just to so we can see that if it's transparent or not. All right, I just went into Google and I'm just going to take this image here that does not have a transparent background and paste it into my document. I want to overlay the text, so I'm just going to have it be where the text wrapping is in front of the text. And let's move this up to the rest of the document. Might have made this slightly too long. All right. Okay. So we can see here now we have a cute little cartoon bunny in front of text, but there's this white background which makes it not so cute. So to get rid of this background, I click on the image, click on Picture Format, and in Excel it's the same thing. You're going to have the same menu here when you click on Picture Format. Click on Remove Background. And this is what's going to be the default. It's not going to be perfect most of the time. It does guess at what they think the background is going to be. So anything that's in magenta, it's considering to be the background. Anything that's not magenta is not the background. So if I click on Keep Changes, yes, it made the image transparent, but it didn't do a very good job at it. So if you click back on the picture format, click on Remove Background, we can fix this. Anything that I want to keep that's currently in magenta, I can just click on it and just tell the program, no, actually I want to keep this section. So let's keep the eyes, keep all the ears, keep the cute tail and the feet. And you don't have to click on every little dot in it, just usually the region is enough. Sometimes when you click on one area, it undoes it in another area, so this could be a little bit frustrating. But honestly, this never takes me more than like a minute or two to get the way I'd like it to. Yes, this looks pretty good. Maybe I want to keep the words down here as well. And I'm glad this happened. Okay. Hopefully the eyes stay this time. All right, so this is pretty good, but as you see here, there's this area here that is no longer transparent, and I would like it to be transparent. So if I click on the remove area, okay, so now that can be removed. All right, and this looks pretty good. So I'm going to keep my changes. And as you see now, I have this very cute rabbit that has a transparent background. And you can copy this into other programs and, do whatever you want with. All right, that is all.